proud of her. She's a fancy. Blessing. My respect. Thank you for your service. Blessings, blessings, blessings. My respect. Respect. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. My respect, sir. Blessings, blessings. Blessings.
Community. can't be no nothing there, that thing fly can't be fire somewhere. No joke. Are you giving power your bossy?
Just about to do the job and can't get here for no time. Yeah, we live for one life. So now I'm here. I'm about to go on like the people look right up here. And let us go up and die, I swear. Never ball already, I would even have a crime, I swear. Come here, come on, with time, I swear. Them said I'm up for me, favor, them ain't one way. She got and come back with the formula. Have everybody speeches like Michael Jackson song, you know. When she want them blood out, you know. I know blood, you know, we are eating guns, now we are, you know. Favor, she had the formula. Same time to Eastern, yeah. I feel like the formula. Bodies, some represent for bodies. I used to represent for the most and our brands all is easy. Mr. Universe from 2K11, victory with a easy enchant. Andrew even think my set job thing and on this stand from MP a peasant bowl almost so with the tendon so we champion tight like we squeeze an extra. Secret them well, the big fire keep on get gas. Yes sir, can't scratch him building method begin with the pressure insist for the things that very special. Descend and mighty them is regular check them temperature. Them cannot touch you in much as pregnant. On discussion for attention them I get that try to disinfectant roll out with the wet map and Joel bad. Now we get ties in the neck for call them big shot. Green gesture, tell me in man I'm tender. A 6 million times I'm on job.
Labor rights, ring the bell them. Winner, we are winner, we are winner. JLP winner, we are winner, we are winner. Labor rights, winner, we are winner, we are winner. When the hand them there, Labor Party a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica. Cause we love the Jamaica. And to a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica. Cause we love the Jamaica. Them call we jump down the island in the sun. If you want some fun, Labor Party we second to none.
Prime Minister
There is a conventional wisdom that seats that have traditionally voted in one particular way will always continue to do so. There may be some truth in that, but that is changing rapidly. And so I would say to those who would believe that this election is going to follow the conventional wisdom, that that is not the case. The Jamaica Labour Party and my administration has changed politics from how we know it. Before, it would be sufficient to go to constituents and go to the electorate and say that you know your family voted one way, your community has always voted one way. It doesn't matter what the government has done or not done. It doesn't matter what the opposition has done or not done. It doesn't matter what was promised. Gone are those days when the electorate just looks at things from a traditional perspective. The young people today in particular, they are very smart, they are very informed, they are very exposed, and they see what is happening globally. And they can tell you that they are not going to vote only on tradition. They are going to vote for what they believe will make their lives better. But we know that young people also believe in a meritocracy, meaning that if you work and earn it, you should get it. And the Jamaica Labour Party has worked very hard. So we are not here asking you to give us a third term. What we are saying is, look on our performance. Look at what we have achieved. Look at how we have transformed the country. Look at the changes that we have made. And based upon that reason and rational approach, you will determine whether or not we have been good stewards and whether or not we deserve your vote. Which is why I stand here in the streets in the hot sun to face you, the supporters, and those who are looking on, who may not be supporters, but who are interested. I put my record in front of you as my life is laid bare in front of you. You know more about me than about any politician in Jamaica. And I ask you to make your judgment about me. And I ask you to make your judgment about the government that I lead. And I ask you to judge as to whether or not this government has administered your affairs better than any other government you have experienced in the history of Jamaica. I ask you to choose Jamaica. I ask you to choose Nathaniel Maraj. God bless you and thank you.
Labour right, ring the bell them. Winner, we are winner, we are winner. JLP winner, we are winner, we are winner. Labour right, winner, we are winner, we are winner. When the hand them there, Labour Party a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love for Jamaica. Andrew a big up Jamaica. We everyone for Jamaica. We not run like Jamaica, cause we love for Jamaica. Them call we jump down the island in the sun.
All right, my respect.